The laziest way to make money with AI. Today, everyone wants more money, and probably you too wants more money. And you can make money with AI online, not go out from your room and not spending a lot of money for the marketing specialist for $5,000, for example, or hiring the copywriter for $2,000. You can do it alone, just with AI. And AI is your best friend right now. And you need to understand that not all of the AI tools is useful. So today I will just give 4 of my favorites and you will learn how to make money with them. You can close that video right now, but later you will see how somebody else making money on something that you are ignoring. Let's go to the point. Right now we will create viral video for one of my businesses with AI tools, so I can show to you how to create viral videos and how to implement them with your own business. For example, I have my platform, the real estate investment platform Binaries, which have a lot of properties and in which people are invest. And today we can just take any of the properties that exist on the platform and we can create a viral video. Take any photo that will be a reference for our video, and I will take the photo of that beautiful villa. For our today example, I will use the Google Gemini, but you can use the Google Flow for the better output. And to create some comprehensive and interesting and viral content, you need to use something ridiculous. For example, we will use something that cannot exist in the real world, like the panda that jumping in the pool. I just upload the image and right now I will create the prompt for the video. Make panda jump in the pool and then eat bamboo. But you need to understand that creating AI content have their own pros and cons. The pros is that it's really simple and you can easily make something viral. The cons is there is a really big competition because there is a really simple to do. Also, the algorithms can track that your content was created with AI, so they can block your content. You need to be careful with something that you're creating because right now there is a lot of restrictions and regulations behind the AI content videos and AI content at all. That's the main points, and it's hard to make money just based on the one skill. You need to combine a couple of them together. And we already have that video generated by AI when I just explained about the pros and cons. And here is the panda that jumping in the pool and going to hit bamboo from anywhere, from somewhere. That's really fun, actually. I see it for the first time, and actually that's really cool. But you need to understand that that approach has its own pros and cons always. So how it works and how you can make money on that. First of all, you need to use some AI tool. You making a prompt, better with the ChatGPT, then you uploading that content in the social media like TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram, and then you monetize that content through your subscribers or through the partnership programs or TikTok Shop. The second one, AI software as a service business. I will be honest, this is more complex business and it's more competitive business, but that business that you can scale, that business that you can sell in the future, and that business in which you can build a system and that business can work without you. There is a lot of people right now talking about that soon there is one company will appear that will worth 1 billion just with one person on the board, but that person should have like basic software development skills or basic skills of understanding how the software development works. But anyway, that business and that kind of idea can be created by anyone with the latest updates of AI tools. For example, the last version of the ChatGPT allowed to create the comprehensive applications just with the one prompt. But personally, myself, I'm using not only ChatGPT, but also the Claude Code. And you need to understand that with AI tools right now, you can create any software as you want. That can be like agent, or that can be any application for horoscope, or it can be any website, so any software as a service business. But in the next video, I will show to you how I implement that personally in my own business, and I will show to you the whole process of creation of that kind of applications, and you can understand it better and how it works, and you can copy that idea, or you can use that idea for yourself to build something simple or similar in the future. The third one is AI commerce. In my opinion, is one of the best models of the businesses that you can use right now to start the first business from the scratch, because right now AI improve the experience of starting those businesses. It's a simple business with which you can sell the traditional goods to the clients and customers through the marketplaces such as Amazon and others. But with the using of AI technologies, you can make better analysis of the markets, you can make better descriptions for your goods, you can make better content for your goods, and you can have the AI assistant as your personal assistant that help you in creating orders, in packaging, in everything, in branding assets, in making the accounting for your company, and so on. So it's one of the best solutions and options to start a business right now, because it's understandable, it's predictable, and it's easy to enter for everyone. The pros for that business is the really good opportunity for everyone who don't want to work too much, because you can delegate a lot of job in that business. There is a lot of instruments exist in that business. Also a lot of goods that you can sell. So that means that you can scale the business and almost doesn't have any threshold or any ceiling for your income in the future. And the cons for that business, you need to test your advertisements, and that takes a lot of time and sometimes budget. And also you need to choose the best products that you can sell. Of course, AI help with that. And also AI help with the third thing, because here is a lot of operational work, as any business actually, honestly. But the goods business and the e-commerce business has a lot of operational work, such as warehouses, accounting, working with employees, working with suppliers, and so on. But AI also can help with that and can handle a lot of things on the background. So that's one of the good and that's one of the best ideas that you can start right now. And the first one, and I also think personally that it's a good idea to start the AI business today with the zero in your pocket, because this is the service-based business on AI. There is a lot of people who are right now texting personally to me in Instagram who are integrating their AI solutions in the businesses. This is the guys who have a simple understanding how to integrate AI. They take some course or they learn it from videos in YouTube, and they start doing it based on their experience. They maybe make a couple of integrations by themselves. They propose to implement AI in the processes that I have in my business. For example, for onboarding customers, or to help the salespeople in the CRM to summarize their data and information based on their calls and based on the recordings of their calls. And all that service-based businesses also can be scaled really good right now. And there is a lot of businesses who doesn't know how to implement AI into their working routine. And you can learn it right now, and you can start implementing it for them and make good money on that. So if we will talk about pros for the business, there is a lot of demand for that kind of services, because a lot of businesses want to integrate AI right now into them. But I recommend to you to make your own niche. I mean, choose your own niche. For example, you're integrating AI for real estate businesses, or you're integrated AI for the car businesses, or you integrated AI for e-commerce businesses. So you need to choose your own niche, because this is really important. Second pros for that business, that is easy entry point because you don't almost need any money for it. But what about the cons? You need to learn how to make onboarding for your customers and how to find the customers, because you need to understand how the sales are done. There is a lot of people who are texting me in Instagram and proposing their services right now. And of course, like sometimes I'm not reply on their requests because almost everyone proposed the same things, and I'm not sure about their experience. Probably you need to understand how to sell your services in the right way, but there is still a lot of demand right now, and you need to understand what exactly businesses want from you or from the AI solutions that you will implement. Also, that business hard to scale if you are working alone, and it's possible to scale, but you need to hire other people and start working with them in the future. But it's not so easy to do and manage all of those things, and there is a lot of contact with your customers and a lot of operational routine that you need to understand it perfectly. That's all for now, and I wish you good luck in your AI journey, and subscribe for my channel right now to see the future video and to understand how to make money with AI in the future.